Welcome back to Speargrass Forge. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're coming back, thanks for attending. Today, I'm going to be moving this from here to here. So stick around. So, the plan is to move all my stuff with my anvil and stump, post vise and all that type of thing in there first. Then I'll be disassembling this and filming the reassembly of it, because in my first video about building my box of Dirtbox Forge, the file's corrupted. So I'll film the full process of setting this up again. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okie dokie, so since the dimensions were missed out in the last video, and it was a while ago now, this box is 3 foot 2.5 or 98 odd centimeters by 2 foot 10 or 85 centimeters. Interior dimensions 31 inches, just 2 foot 7, and 79 inches by 3 foot, which is 38 inches or 92 centimeters. And the depth, interior depth is, do it at the back so you guys can at least see, 10 inches or 25 odd centimeters, 25 and a half, 250 millimeters. So, get into setting it up. So what I did last time was start out with the tire into it about the centre. This is what I want it about there. So the fire pot's in the centre there. And then I stacked it with some bricks. Now, what I did begin with, put that under here, just to provide some support. And then, that one under there. The reason why the bricks go in isn't so much to, it's to protect the timber, so I don't dig too deep and get to the wood underneath. That way it just provides a layer that once I hit the brick I've gone too deep. I shouldn't be hitting the brick at all. That's because once it's lifted up I still have about 2 inches clearance. I want to leave about 1 inch of dirt under there so the bottom of the fire pot can collect slag or whatnot. But yeah, so that's just there to protect the brick. It's not to contain fire or anything like that. So I've broken one here somewhere. I'll use that one at the bottom because it's not. And then just frame it. And then just to provide a firewall. Right. And that's basically all I've done with the bricks. Now that's the interior setup. I will jack this up a bit and put some stuff under there just to hold it in. And then it's filling it with dirt. So I'll get onto that. I'm just filling up around the tyre at the moment, just so that I can make sure that it's well and truly established. Of course we're going to pack it down later, just make sure this bit's settled first. Now it's just a matter of filling it with dirt and packing it in. So just a few details. The pipe I got was a piece of, hang on, don't even know how wide it is. It's a 1.5 inch piece of black pipe. It came in length when I originally got it. It was about 3 foot. I've cut it down to about half, so that's about about 1.5 foot, or 46 odd centimeters, just to cut it so it wasn't sticking out way past the forge. Just a piece of black pipe. This cost me $15. The bricks in the box cost me $5 all up from the dump, and of course dirt's from my property, so that's free. So all up, this cost me $20 odd. And a little bit of effort. Now if you're handy with timber and you can build yourself a box, many places have pine pallets that you can get for free. You can build yourself a box out of that and then make it even cheaper. Of course you could use fire bricks for the base. Mine's just regular house bricks because, like I said, they're not really experiencing direct flame or direct heat. Literally just to stop me hitting the base. So, I mean, all in all, apart from if you've got black pipe lying around, you can probably get away with this for free. Unfortunately, all the pipe that I had access to here was galvanised, and I didn't want to risk that. Having previously worked in the construction and steel industry, I know gal's not a good stuff. It's great for keeping stuff from rusting. When it comes to working with heat, it's not good at all. It takes about a wheelbarrow and a half of dirt to get it full. And that's of course packed in. Kind of look a little bit lumpy to begin with, but we'll get there. There is a method behind my badness about packing that down now, and you'll see in just a moment. This piece of round is isn't going to stay in here, it's just to mark out roughly where my fire pot is. So when I backfill, I'm leaving that bit loose, so it's not packing in with the rest of it. And I'll pull it out, and then that's got a little bit that's loose. Back to JABOD. So, all the people that do follow me, I'm interested to know what forge setups you have. Is it something simple like this? Is it a hole in the ground? Have you gone a little bit more expensive and gone a gas forge, or have you gone out and found an old, rivet forge or old buffalo forge? Drop a comment in the, drop a comment. Let me know what you've got. Are you like me and just use charcoal, or are you flash and you've got access to real coal? Where I live, there's no active coal mines, and well, actually I don't think there's ever been a coal mine. Even our power stations run on diesel or they're solar, so we don't get coal shipped to my part of Australia. So getting it costs a fortune from shipping it up down south. That's why I use charcoal. For me, it's the cheapest and most effective fuel. The way I see it was used for thousands of years quite effectively, so there's nothing wrong with it. If that's all you got, hey, use it. That's why I built the charcoal kiln, so I could make my own charcoal rather than buying it. I mean, you can buy it, it's not that expensive overall. From my local hardware, cost about 20 bucks a bag. And when I first started, before I had my charcoal kiln up and running, I did buy it. At the time, that was what was effective for me. But as many of you know, life gets in the way. Things cost money. So, in order to keep doing what I love, I had to improvise and make my own charcoal, basically. Right, so before we get too far, I might start packing that down in a minute. No, there's not much dirt left in here, so I'm going out with the hand trowel and we'll smooth it out and pack it down. As you can see, this is the same amount of dirt that it's coming out of the same barrows. Just that before it was all packed in. Now it's all nice and loose, so it doesn't like to. The space is a little bit open. It's got a lot more air in it. Of course, it was sitting outside before, so it was rained on and all sorts, so it packed in quite well. So with the dismantling of the forge, I'm probably going to speed that up, but this bit I'll leave in real time so you can see how long it takes to build. Not long at all. And of course all I've got to do afterwards is attach the blower. That was a barbecue blower off eBay. Cost me about $35. So of course you do have the option of a hairdryer or a double bellows mattress pump. That works too. Quite a few successful people out there go on the road and do shows with just that. Of course you can go fully traditional and build yourself a pair of, you know, leather pump bellows. Okay, I'll leave that in there for a moment. Now the walls of the timber are going to move a little bit. Hopefully they don't give out on me. Like I said, this had been sitting out in the weather. Look at that. And there we go. We'll pull that bit out. Right, so a bit high off the tyre, but the best bit about that is you can dig out and fill in as needed. So, see in there, just there's the tyre, and below about an inch or so. As you saw before, I had a couple of inches between the tyre and the base, so it's only about an inch there. Gives me a good fire pot, and that's it. So now to pack up and set up the rest of my forge. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And there you have it, the forge set up. So, working heating bar there, bring it to here, hammer away, everything's close by, back in there, and going. So now, just got to start the fire and beat them out. So, if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit this like and subscribe button, share in your favourite social media, drop a comment. Show me, like I said, show me what you've got. If you leave a picture, great. If you're not, just tell me what you've got. And I look forward to seeing you next time when we start this thing up and finish a project that I've already started. Thanks for watching.